guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be putting a screen protector on and doing a bunch, unboxing a bunch of cases. But the cases I'm going to be unboxing are different days when they come. And I forgot to make the intro, so I'm making the intro when my first cases came. But yeah, let's just get onto the screen protecting on video. And yeah, I got the screen protector from Primark for £2, aka £2. I don't know how much dollars that is, but I don't think America has Primark. Yeah, we don't, but yeah. So guys, I'm going to be putting my screen protector on from my sister. So guys, it is now like 1 week later, and my cases came, so I'm gonna unbox it. And yeah, I'm so quiet, but yeah, so my mum's already got it open, but here it is. I haven't looked at it yet, so I'm just gonna place it here. Right. Oh, so pretty. So this is my space glitter from kit. I'm gonna take a picture of how it looks like in the picture right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna try it on now, and yeah, I'm now filming on my mum's phone. But here the phone is. I'm gonna unbox the case. Wait a second. So I finally got it out, and it looks so pretty. I'm just gonna get this thing out and look at it. I'm gonna put that onto my phone. It's much more pretty than I thought. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me just put it on. I'm gonna pause it. So I put it on. It is the prettiest thing ever. And it also got like these dusty things to protect it from the dust on the headphone jack too. Oh wow. And it has like kind of a good grip to it, and that's how it looks like on my phone. And I got all of the cases from AliExpress. So yeah, on to the next day, because I ordered 3 phone cases, so this is one of the 3, and I'm doing a bunch of things when it's gonna come. And this video is joint with me opening my screen protector, and set a thingy saying package arriving destined country, and I'll show you a picture of how long it took. Well, yeah, thank you guys, and on to the next video. So guys, it is the next day, and my protective phone case has come. I think it's phone case because it just says description of context. Protective phone case. Protective case, if you can see it. It's fine, you can't, it's not focusing, but I'm going to be unboxing it, and I'm really excited because I've been waiting for this case forever, and it just came today. Like, when did my phone case come? On Tuesday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 4 days after I got my space case, it's okay. Gonna try to open it, so if you follow me, there should be silver somewhere. Alright. Oh yeah, that's in here. So just good. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Wow. I thought it was a glitter case because it says protective, and I don't find this protective, but it might actually be protective. So I've been describing it all wrong, but I'm gonna cut it open and show you how it is. So my mum has the same one for her Samsung Galaxy S10. Oh right, this one. So I'm gonna open it to show you. So it obviously has some of that in it, like the foam. But as you can see, it's like a protective case with a lip. And here, like, you go up and down for the thingy to go like
So
up.
that's basically for your fingers.
You can make it
It's a
tighter.
bit like a
It's a bit like a ring socket.
yeah.
Because I have a ring socket, and you can also stand it.
Let's just turn it on this ironing board. And as you can see, you can watch YouTube or Netflix or anything on your phone and just stand at the same time.
And I got, like, there was many different colours. I'll try and show you the different colours, but I got this kind of pinkish marble greyish, and inside it says, I want personality, not tribal. I do not know what that means, but the back bit can go off. But now it's really nice, as you can see.
And once you unbox it came with
About that, what do you call it? My mum just called me, but this is how it looks, and it came with this thing. I'm gonna try and see what this thing is meant to do. I think it meant to stick it somewhere. Or stick it to the. Oh, that's what you do. It's a magnet, so you stick it to the back of your phone, and it stays on. I'll try and show you in the mirror. I'm gonna show my sister too. But you stick. I'm gonna start recording on this just to show you how my thingy looks like. My case looks like on my phone. Or I could go like this, right? Yeah, I could actually. So.
Oh, was that my bed?
No, it's your stove, the elastic. Okay, whatever. She was playing with elastic bands and it made those noises, but yeah. Why are you laughing? What's wrong? Right. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on. And let's just go onto the tablet. Ooh! But yeah. So I'm just gonna put it on my iPhone 6s, and I didn't make a video on that, so if you want to go watch that, you can. It will be down in the description down below, but put it on and show you how it looks like. So it looks like this on my phone, and this stand kind of is a bit annoying, I think. But yeah, it's like this, and yeah, and you can take the back bit out, like this bit off. That's like a feature of it, it's meant to go off, and I'm not broken it. Like this, it can go off. So it can go off like this. Like the back of the phone case can go off like this, like a little plate. And you can, I guess you can walk around like with that. I'm just gonna put that back on. It just snaps right back into place. And yeah, so that's how it looks. It is a bit round, but I really actually love it. So I recommend this case to you. I got it from AliExpress for, I'm not sure, but I'll put the price on the screen. So, and yeah, I would rate this 4 stars out of 5. And yeah, on to the last but not least final phone case that I ordered from AliExpress. So yeah, let's move along. I just came back from school, and this is it. As you can see, I got my school shoes and that. So I think this is the protective one, and I'm gonna open it, put it on my phone. So I'll open it, and this was, I'll put a picture on the screen of which one I got. And yeah, just gonna open it. So guys, I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna let you see it first. This is it. Oh, it's so pretty. My phone case for my iPhone 6 and 6s is the prettiest thing ever. I got the silver, and it's clear. It's the protective one, and it's so pretty. Let me go upstairs and show you in more detail. Phone case recently that I got. Just gonna. And that is my last phone case. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed me unboxing for a bit of awareness. These 3 cases. And yeah, peace out. It's Gucci. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.